I'll give you $500.
Deal.
Pleasure doing business.
I think I hear it coming.
Yeah, about time. This fog is getting worse.
There it is. Hey, over here. Looks like we're getting out of here.
The winch is ready. Let's get this attachment secure. Aye, but steady on. She's fragile.
Hooking it now. Looks solid. Perfect. She's ready to tow. Good work, lad.
Truck's here. Let's get it in position. Copy that. I'll guide it in. Good work. Let's start the... The chassis is solid, but the floor pans will need complete replacement. We should start there. Agreed. Let's get a full assessment done by the end of... On the drawing? Got it. Let's get the hoist. Okay, hook it up. Lifting now. New engine in. Perfect fit. Looks brand new. Wow, it's coming off fast. Almost there.
Wow, she looks incredible. You really outdid yourself.
Thank you. We're thrilled you love it.
She's perfect. Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. Enjoy the drive.
I will.
See you.